Alrighty guys, this is David over here at D's Garage. Here we go. We just wrapped up the 2023 Chevy Silverado 1500 refresh style complete sound makeover. Using the original factory radio, we mounted our bass knobs right here. All new speakers. New speakers on the front, 6x9s and 6.5s on the rears. Using all the spacers and all the adapters that we need. So this truck does come with the original factory Bose system, as you can see there. So we used the bypass to mount our 4-channel amp here. Of course, we use the LC7 Pro, the LC7i Pro, and the 1800 watt kicker amplifier to push these puppies here. L7s, 12s. Mad bass in this truck. So I've had this truck here for a few days. It took me some brainstorming and some time to figure out how everything was set up. But everything's good. We just got to put that back seat back together. Everything is tuned nicely. Sounds really good. Loud, I'll tell you that.